Not quite sure what it was. Oh, there's a beautiful left hook.
It's interesting. Rachmonov actually starts out and is slowest in the opening round. This is nothing like what we're used to seeing from him.
And if you guys haven't seen this guy fight, you want to see his ground game as well. Slick. So he's comfortable both on his feet and on the ground. I mean, Marcelo will surely want to get this down to the canvas, though.
It's the experience of being
nice body shot.
amateur.
Oh, that hurt his liver. That hurt his liver. It's over.
Wow.
It was a liver punch. The liver punch put him on the canvas.
That is incredible. Look at the pain Marcelo appears to be in.
Well, what happens when you get hit in the liver? It sends off toxins, and the toxins just cramp up your whole body, and that's exactly what's happened to him. What an awesome finish. Beautiful by the young guy, 19 years old.
Look at the smile.
We're going to see a lot from this guy. I mean, wow, he's going to climb to the top.
Should be noted, ladies and gentlemen, since we clearly didn't have enough time to discuss this throughout the fight,